Hello friends, it's me, Teddy. Today, we will be drawing Molang and Piu Piu. Let's get started. For Molang, begin by creating a diagonal C-curve below and then extend a larger curve above it. Now, at the end of the larger curve, draw a big diagonal U-shape. Starting from the top, draw a bean-like shape that connects to both ends of the base. It should look like this. Next, draw two upside-down U-shapes for Molang's ears. Moving on to the eyes, draw two circles next to each other. Below each circle, add another circle for its cheeks. For the nose, make a W-like shape and below it, add a U-shape for the mouth. Draw two C-curves to represent Molang's hands. For Piu Piu, start by making an S-like shape for Piu Piu's body. Then, extend it with a C-curve, draw another S-like shape to complete the head. Add a stretched U-like shape below the head to create the body's base. For its feet, draw two small U-shapes. Draw two C-curves to represent Piu Piu's hands. For the mouth, create a horizontal heart-like shape. Finally, draw two circles for the eyes and below them, add its cheeks. That's it for now. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll be back soon with more exciting drawings. Happy drawing!